welcome to Sunshine TV. Let's come to talk about Mukesh Ambani and his wife. Mukesh Ambani, one of India's wealthiest individuals, is the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, a conglomerate with interests in petrochemicals, refining, oil, telecommunications, and retail. Born on April 19, 1957, Mukesh transformed RIL into a global powerhouse, most notably launching the telecom arm, Jio, which revolutionized India's digital landscape. His wife, Nita Ambani, is a prominent philanthropist and chairperson of the Reliance Foundation, which focuses on education, sports, health, and rural development.
When I first met Radhika, I knew that Anant has found his soulmate, his perfect companion. And I found another daughter who shares my love for dance and, of course, my love for my son. Radhika, we welcome you with open hearts and arms as a Ambani Beti. You are not just Anant's partner, but a cherished daughter, sister, Masi, Kaki, Mami, and the light of all our lives. And Anant, you are God sent to all of us. My heart bursts with love and pride for you. You are the youngest, but with the biggest heart. You are the kindest, but with the strongest resolve. You are an encyclopedia of knowledge. When we were building the enclosures at Vantara, we did not know how to go about it. Anant did his research, got into details, learned CAD/CAM, and he himself designed the rescue center that you will all visit tomorrow. Not just the animals, his knowledge of our sacred Hindu scriptures, the Vedas, continues to inspire me. He just doesn't read them. He applies them and lives by them. Anant has learned so much more from life than what books and classrooms could ever teach. His gentle demeanor hides his strong iron will. His grand passions are backed by his endless patience and hard work. Anant, as Papu says, your name means infinite, and you are truly infinite. My dear family and friends, thank you once again for taking out time and joining us here to celebrate Anant and Radhika, two pieces of our heart. Jamnagar, as you know, is very special to our family. But let me tell you something that many of you may not know. When Mukesh was setting up the refinery and I was building the township here, Anant was less than 2 years old. Twice a week, month after month, I would leave for Jamnagar in the morning and return to Mumbai in the evening. And so, the first word my little Anantu ever said was not Mama or Papu. It was Jamnagar. Jamnagar is a place where we have our roots, where Anant grew up, and it's now become a home and heaven for our family. And that's why it feels just so right that we are celebrating this new beginning for Anant and Radhika here in Jamnagar. Friends, over the course of this weekend, you will see how Anant is transforming Jamnagar. Jamnagar is where Anant's grandmother, Kokila Mummy, was born. It bears the legacy of his grandfather, Dhirubai. And in the years to come, I hope Jamnagar will be known all over the world for the path-breaking work that Anant is doing in service of the people, the animals, and our planet. As he begins his happily ever after with Radhika, I pray to the gods and goddesses to bless their union. With folded hands, Mukesh and I seek your love, prayers, and blessings for our children. Please enjoy each moment to the fullest and clap and cheer with all your heart as we are just family and close friends here.
Nita Ambani. She will be the first woman in the world whose kidneys will produce gold instead of stones. Neighbors will say with regret, "Ah, the poor man has gold in his kidney." Nita Ambani, wife of Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani, reportedly drinks gold water, which is called Acqua di Cristallo triboto a Modigliani. The water, encased in 24-karat gold, is a combination of Iceland's glacier water and natural spring water from France and Fiji. Each bottle reportedly costs 249 lakhs. Nita, who is 60 years old, is said to have flawless skin because of the gold water. 24-karat gold used to make a 750 milliliters water bottle, and adding 5 grams of gold to the water for alkalinity is recommended.